So first of all, congratulations, Sheetal. Could you tell us a little bit about your experience and where did you get the admit?
So my college is Domus Academy, and so I was looking for a consultancy which would really help me out, which wasn't very, I don't know, which felt more personal than just a transactional company, like you just do it for this. So I felt this was very personal from you guys, and you guys really helped out by just applying, like doing that part of it was very helpful. Doing it myself would have been a lot more difficult. It was a struggle already just getting things done on time, and I had to. So mine is creative, so I had to get my portfolio ready. I had to get my the project ready for the scholarship and everything. So it was a bigger task just getting those things done. So if I had to apply it by myself, it would be a lot. So thank you so much for that. It was
You're
great.
welcome. How long did your application process take?
Not too long actually. It took maybe since I started working maybe in November, working on my stuff, on my project and on my portfolio. Started in November, and by Jan first week I got the admit and I got the scholarship and everything. So it was pretty fast, like within a month and a half, I guess.
Okay. Did you consult any other company before reaching out to us or trying out Nebula?
I was looking at other options. There was another company called, so they're well known for Domus and Marangoni. These two colleges, they do very they kind of solely do it for those two colleges. But it felt very like they just wanted students. That's it. That's their only task. So it felt very impersonal. They just want to do it for the money that they would get if I went through them. So I was kind of iffy. Plus I heard a few bad stuff from other people that they were very transactional and that. So I'm like, okay, let's look at other options. And actually I was approached by you guys. So I just gave my name and you guys called me saying you liked my application. So
Yes. That's
it was
great.
meant to be.
Yes. So did you think Nebula was transparent enough with you throughout the process, and how would you rate this experience of yours?
It was very transparent. At least I knew everything. The only thing I didn't know was if I got in or not. The scholarship part mainly. Like I heard that I got the scholarship on call, and then I was asked to come to the office, and then you guys surprised me with saying that I got into the college too.
Yeah.
So it was amazing. So everything was transparent. I didn't have to worry about anything.
Could you share some specific instance where the platform made it easy for you, not just the people, something about the platform that made it easier?
I mean, I love the Nebula space. It was very, like, I had my own space. It felt like, okay, it's only for me. Like, yeah, you guys do it for a lot of students, but this is like, okay, you're doing this solely for me and like you're helping me out. So I'm like, okay, I feel a little better. I feel like, okay, they are taking their time with me, they're taking time with my application. So it felt much better that way.
Okay. Do you think Nebula put your preferences above like what an ideal company would offer? Like this is the list of shortlists and you have to pick from here. So is it different from other consultancies that you've seen?
Yes, so a lot of times consultancies, they push you to the college that they are affiliated with, and I don't think Nebula is affiliated directly to Domus.
Yes.
So I wasn't getting pressured to like, okay, go to this college itself. Like I was offered, I think there were 5 or 6 options available, or actually more, but my course was only available in like 2 or 3 of these colleges, and out of them Domus I was already a little like, because my senior went there, I was a little already leaning towards Domus. But the more information I got, okay, I am sure now this is the college I want to go to, and that just helped out a lot.
Okay. How would you describe your outfit on the first day of college?
First year of college, when I
Unique,
joined,
yeah, Domus.
it's gonna be like usual. I'm a fashion designer. Fashion is everything.
Yeah.
I will be out there. I will go as extra as possible.
Do share pictures with us.
For sure. I can't
Okay.
wait.
If you had to describe Nebula in one adjective, what would that be?
Adjective. Very helpful. Very, very helpful.
Okay.
I couldn't have done it myself.
What Indian food will you miss after moving?
I'm gonna miss the whole of Swiggy and Zomato. Because at least I could order, if not cheap, I could order food cheaper than there at least. But now that's not going to be an option. So all of Zomato and Swiggy.
Okay. On the scale of 1 to 10, how likely are you to tell a friend about this Nebula?
Oh, I've already told a few people.
Okay.
So they were asking me how I did it, and I was like, Nebula, help me out. They
Okay.
chose my application, so it was a little different from me approaching them, but definitely go through them because they were very transparent. I didn't have any doubt. Like I wasn't like, okay, they might be cheating me or they might have some kind of ulterior motives. It was very easy for me to recommend it to someone else.
Thank you. What did you think? What was the difficult part for you in this entire journey? Most
Nothing.
difficult.
Actually, nothing.
Nothing.
It was actually smooth. I wasn't anxious about getting into the college or not because the day I think a week or so ago I submitted the project, and a week after that they asked me for a lookbook so that they see like they see real pictures of what I've already done. And the next day I got in, like that. It was that fast. Like I didn't have any time to even think or even feel anxious about will I get in, will I not get in, what will I do if I don't get in. Like, there was no point, so nothing was really difficult for me.
Okay. Lastly, what would you say something about your coach who has helped you throughout?
So Sadhna, Rakshit and Ayush, they were there throughout. Ayush is still in touch with me because I'm going through the scholarship thing. I'm waiting to hear from them, and he applied on my behalf. So I'm very grateful, very very grateful. They were very helpful. I felt safe. I didn't feel like I was lost anywhere. So it was all smooth so far.
Okay.
1 month to go.
Yes. So safe travels. Congratulations. That's a wrap. Yes.
Thank you.
At Nebula, we believe that your dream school shouldn't be out of reach. We'll help you beat the odds and get your dream admission without you having to pay us a single rupee. Wanna get started? Comment your target schools below and our coaches will guide you to success.